In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Like a Dragon Infinite Wealth on your PC or laptop. First, we need to download the Steam app. Open your Google Chrome and search for store.steampowered.com. Link in description. Click on the Install Steam button on this page. Once you've done that, at the top right corner of your screen, click on the .exe file and open it. Complete the installation, and once finished, open your Steam app. Full installation and creating Steam account video in description. When you are done with installation, then log in and open your Steam app. Now, go to Store and click on the search box at the top right-hand corner. Search for Like a Dragon Infinite Wealth to download the game. If game is not showing up, check out video in description. Else in drop-down menu, click on Like a Dragon Infinite Wealth. Then scroll down until you see Add it to the cart button. Click on it. Now click on Purchase for myself. Set up your payment method, and you're good to go. After completing the purchase, go to your
Before
library.
we hit the surfside
You can
streets
use
of
the search
Honolulu,
box
a
to
quick
find
note
game you
about
just
spoilers.
bought or navigate
This review won't
directly
dive
to
into
the
anything
game's
about Like a
category.
Dragon Infinite Wealth
Next
story
step I will show
that hasn't
on
already
Game
been
IO.
discussed in its
First,
trailers,
click on the game
but
you
it
wanna
will show
play.
a number of amazing
Now click
gameplay
Install.
features that you might prefer
Complete
to discover
installation
for
process.
yourself. There's still
When
a staggering
installation
amount to see
completed,
and do
click
that
to
I
play.
haven't covered in
And
this
that's
review,
all.
but if you want to
Thanks
go
for
into
watching.
Kasuga and Kiryu's
Subscribe
latest
and help
adventure
reach
completely
1,000
fresh,
subscribers
you have
mark
been
so I
warned.
can make more
now,
tutorials.
on with the review.